of all.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, sir, as you know, my name is Juhi Pandey. I am from UP, and I have done postgraduate in English from UP board. And yeah, after sitting in Mumbai, so so I yeah, sir, sorry, sir. Okay, so now I'm currently live in Mumbai. And if you talk about my hobby, so nowadays I love to interact into new people like a co-learner. Yeah. So we would say my hobby is in interacting new people, speaking English. Yeah, it's a short introduction about.
Okay, so that's great to introduce. So it's my turn. Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If you talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirvan University, KTM, Nepal. If you talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if you talk about my hobbies, searching on new things, make new friends. My aim is I want to be a doctor, and I have also YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh. That's where uploaded English conversation videos. So that's all about me.
Great, sir. I think from your side, I got a nice response.
Okay, so ma'am, I can ask some questions, or you ask me.
No, sir, can you ask first? So after that,
Okay, how long have you been your English journey, ma'am?
sir, if you talk about the speaking, so I think I would like to say it's one year, 1 month ago, just I started, and earlier I used to only um, uh, since since childhood I am fascinated uh, to this language, but no idea how to improve my English. So that time I used to only reading, writing, and uh, learn word meaning. Even I wrote a lot of word meaning, but nobody tell me you are learning words meaning. So you have to make a sentence so that's your English improve. But that time just I jot down lot of meaning and mug up it and yeah. So when mm, so when I install this app, Sky app, Sky app is the closed. After that, I got this Steam app. So I thought one day I thought I have to speak because I have a enough knowledge to speak English. Like I have to know I got to know tense, grammar, rules. Means I have enough. So why I not starting to speaking? So yeah, so I started to speak in English on Steam app. So then got to know speaking is a more important. Without if you know all skills, writing, reading, but even you don't speak English, so you can't fluent in this language skill. So I started, and now I'm work on it. Yes.
Okay, okay. If you are doing everything, yes, listening, reading, writing, speaking, but you are saying I am not speak able to at this time. So what should we do, or what should we not do? That is your question. and understanding matters.
Means you are asking me, asking me, I am writing, reading, and listening. Even I can't improve my understandable language skill.
Okay, so that's why you have to do something. Yes, means what kinds of do you do? You are listening. Yes, listening means if you listen any podcast, any story. Yes, so you have to listen carefully. Yes, many persons listening one thing and attentively other side. So that is not good. Yes, if you want to learn, if you do honestly, if you want to learn, if you want to do for something on your life, and if you honesty, I have to learn, I have to do something, I am interested, so you give time, and if you give 20 minutes per day, so attentively you give time. Yes, and if you listen, so carefully you listen, and after then you try to speak, try to understand. Yes, means suppose you are speaking, yeah, learning English language at least 1 month, you say. Yes, yeah, many persons 2 months, 6 months ago they start, but they are not giving time. Just I am listening, I am speaking, but they are not working. They are not honestly. I am learning, I have to learn, I have to do. Just I am listening, many persons speak, I can also speak English. So that is not good. You have to continuity, consistency, attentively, and after then you will be able to speak easily. Yes, got it?
Yes, sir. I think some issue, some network issue in your side.
Sound is coming.
Sound you are audible, sir, but in a middle some network issue, so your video is false. Yeah, no issue. So yeah, go ahead, sir.
Little bit. That is the causes of network.
Yeah, sir. Sir, okay. So, so how many? Yeah, sir. How long have you been learning this skill, sir?
I was learning at least 9 months ago.
Okay, sir. So, please tell me your journey, where from you start, and who you are started automatically, or just you are anybody forced to you, you have to learn this language.
Yes. No any on force for language. Just self. Yes. Once day I thought many person speak English, so why I cannot speak English? Yes, that times I thought I have to learn. If I have one skills added, so it is benefit for me. Yes, so that's why I thought I would like to learn. I have to do something for on our life. So I only started. No one, no anyone motivated you learn English language. If you learn English language, then you will be good. No, just I self motivated. And that day I started. So I am very feeling hesitation. how to speak, how do we know to speak. So I was thinking, and after then, again thought many person speak English, so why cannot I speak English? So what should we do, or what should we not do? And after then, I started. That time fearness, hesitation, 2 months, 3 months. When I was first conversation, so that time I am feeling very fairness and many sweetings all body. How I speak. Even then, I am able to speak. And nowadays, no any hesitation, no fearness. I am able to speak.
Yes.
So that is the good for me at this time. But now I am searching who is speaking with me, and when I am ignorant, so that times I afraid. He is speaking, she is speaking, but I cannot speak English, so that's why I am fearing. And you are also speaking at this good way. So I would like to ask some questions. Uh, who is beginners? Yes. Who wants to learn? Yes. So what kinds of do you suggest them for beginners? You have any idea?
Yeah. So, sir, first, I would like to tell them first start to learn listening.
Yes.
If they can't stay long story, so no. So first start watching, listening a video 1 minute,
Yes.
1 minute story video, and you have to watch again repeatedly. And after watching 2 times, even they can't understand. So setting YouTube setting. So set in a 75 ratio, and
Yes.
one by one words you have to speak after the video, like a shadowing speaking, like there was a crow. uh, he was very thirsty. So when you set a ratio 75, so he speak a slow. So after that you have to repeat like he was, and you are listening a video, and you are, after that you are open your mouth, because sometimes you are listening a lot of video, but when come the time to come speak, so sometimes mouth is not open. That time feel like a laziness. So if you do like these activities, so you are listening here and you speak there, and again your words fit in your head. So after that you pause video and keep a second while. So after that still you have remember what did I listen and what did I speak. So I would like to say, if a beginner, so if they do 1 month, only 1 month, then see what happened and what is realized, what to gain. Yeah, sir. So
Okay.
that time I know have that time I didn't have idea, but still I have got like a skill how to improve your English.
Yes.
After after listening video, you 1 minute video. I'm not saying 2 minute and 3 minute and 5 minute. So just you listen 1 minute video. So after that you remind in your mind and speak what is the listen. when you remind your mind, you exercise your mind, so your mind is increased, and they have lot of energy to think about what did I listen and what did I speak. Yes.
Yes. Your means you have to say you are, if you are beginners. So first of all, you think story. मतलब means a story. You choose once a story, and that
It
story
story.
repeat by repeat 4 times, 5 times. You listen, and after then you close the eye. After then you try to think which I was a story listen. What is the aim of a story? Yes. And after then you try to speak that story. Yes. Mind should be quietable. And after then you have understood and you try to speak. So that times you will be able to speak and understanding capacity easily, who is beginners. And other questions I would like to ask, many students wants to learn. Yes, they going to start English language, and they go at least 3 months, 4 months, and after then they left. They do not want to be fluent. 2 months, 3 months learning, and after then they left. So that's kinds of students who is not discontinue, who is go to continue, and they will be fluent. So that persons who wants to left in middle part. So what kinds of suggest them? You don't left middle time. You continue your English language. So what kinds of do you suggest which is left in middle times and they do not fulfill in last time and they do not want to able to speak English. So what kinds of do you suggest?
Yeah, sir. So, sir, that because every person is not sick. So when you when you say, you are said like so first we have to read his mind, their mind. Why live, why did he left leave still in the middle? So first when I got to know their problem, so yeah, I sometime we feel oh it's a long journey, and first if they left her journey in the middle, so without before learning they want, if I want, if I learn 3 months so I can speak English, so it's a cross out, because it's a no time to become a fluent, because even lecturer is a continue her their way. So still, if you are learning English and speaking English, so you have to patience, because we can say, if you complaining I know grammar, I know word meaning, so still, so you have to more focus on our speaking. If you are speaking, you are more focused on your speaking, so you can speak, you can improve your English. And this is not like a computer course. You are learn 3 months, so you got to know, and you software you this you are commanding yourself. It's not a note down things. Just is a speaking, and when you are speaking, when you are pressurize your mouth and think your mind, and practice on that, right? So can you, so then you speak. Otherwise sometimes when we are out of track, this is skill. So when I connect to the exam, so that time I felt, oh, I forget to speak English. So I'm telling about the fluent English. I'm about the fluent speaker because they know very well how to speak English. But sometimes they suffering to and sometimes they stuck to speak English. Even they are speaker, is fluent speaker, and you are learner, basic learner, and just you are focused on it, not focus on your skill. So so I would like to say for beginner, don't see your time. Just how many times and how many hours you're giving in a day. So if you're giving a lot of times, so you can improve your English. Otherwise, just you are join the take admission, took admission, and just go to Delhi. And after 3 months, oh, I didn't understand. I can't speak English. So this is not a any course. Just is a language. So sometimes when our childhood and speak, when I listen words and and memorize day by day, so we can speak English, speak Hindi, and still English is a very hard and not this is not my mother tongue. So how can I fluent in a one day? So we have to patience and work on that, and one day I become fluent. Yeah.
Yes. Absolutely. You are saying everything is right. I agree with your statement. Yes. If you are beginners, if you want to speak, and if you want to do something for on your no others, so you have to keep passion. Yes.
Sorry. Do you have any more questions? Because I have to go. Because I have a lot of.
Okay, no problem. Uh, that's end of the session. And nice talk to you.
Same to you, sir.
Okay, bye.